Welcome back to the Weather Channel. Bottom of the hour to you. I'm Warren Madden. We're going to be looking at the Pacific here in this segment. We'll be concentrating on what's happening up and down the Pacific coast. We start off looking a little farther out into the Pacific so we can kind of give you a sense of what's coming down the pike. We have one storm system that is just moving onshore now, and then we kind of take a break. And then out in the Pacific, there's yet another one working its way in. So we will be seeing some precipitation over the next couple of days coming onshore along the western coast of the United States. Highs on Thursday ranged from in the 60s here, Los Angeles into San Diego. You work your way farther north, though, and it was a little cooler. 38 all you managed in Portland, 41 in Seattle. And you come inland, though, and there's that Arctic air, -2 for high in Cut Bank. That's pretty chilly, and right now it's down to -8. The coast still hanging on to the 30s here in the coastal areas. 32 Seattle. Okay, that's not really technically the coast. You're on the shore of the Puget Sound, but not really on the coast of the Pacific. 34 in Portland, inland, on the Columbia River, of course. 34 in Medford. San Francisco, 49 right now, and a pair of 57s at Los Angeles and into San Diego. Okay, let's start looking at a little more detail here. We're 17 degrees up on Stampede Pass, 39 at the Dells, 31 Yakima right now, and things pretty quiet here across the northwest. You come into California, we have seen some showers, off and on through the area during the course of the evening. 49 right now, San Francisco, 46 here in the Central Valley, Sacramento, also in Fresno, 44 in Stockton. And it's Southern California, mostly in the 50s along the coast. You come inland, you drop into the 40s and 30s, 39 right now at Edwards, and Daggett, 46 in Palm Springs. Did have one earthquake here in the Los Angeles basin. It was in the 2 to 3 range, not too far from Fullerton. We move into Central California, and we had a couple here in the Sierra Nevada, one over in Nevada, and one over in the California side, both in the 2 to 3 range, and one in the 3 to 4 range here into the area to the southwest of the Bay region. None reported in the Pacific Northwest. How about into Alaska? Well, one here along the southern coast, and then heading out into the Aleutian chain, seeing one in the 3 to 4 range. Actually in the 4 to 5 range now that I look at the scale a little bit better. Okay, let's spread it on out here and see what's going to be happening as we go into time. What we're looking at is a change in the weather pattern. We're going to be seeing our storm slowly pulling off into the northeast, but we will also be seeing colder air coming down out of Canada, and it's going to be working its way into the Central Plains during the day on your Friday. So get ready for some colder conditions here, places like Minneapolis coming back into Sioux Falls and Sioux City over in toward Pierce, South Dakota. Let's take it region by region now as we look at your forecast for tomorrow morning. What's your commute going to be like? Well, we'll start it off in the northeast, where we'll continue to see rain and showers going on. It'll be ending during the day from southwest to northeast. However, you'll still see the rain probably by the evening in much of New England. And watch out here in northern New England. Boy, has it been a mess. Burlington, Vermont, inch of ice accumulation at least. Major power outages up here. Just a complete, real problem with this ice. Farther to the south, though, things starting to quiet down a little bit. Should be in the morning, not too bad. Miami, temperature of about 65 degrees. Maybe a few showers lingering on here in central Tennessee, heading up into central Kentucky. A chilly morning, but clear in Dallas. 27 degrees for the low in the Metroplex. Houston dropping down to about 36, waking up with sunshine. Chicago, you'll be on the edge of the snow. Should be coming to an end during the day. We'll see some showers heading on down towards Cincinnati and Louisville with your low of 35. Green Bay, snow, low of 25. And heading up into the northern plains, here's that cold air I mentioned. You'll drop down to 14 below zero in Miles City, -10 in Minot. Minneapolis, you'll see cloudy skies to start your morning. As you work your way along the shores of the Mississippi, you're low down to about 22 degrees. We return to the western U.S. to finish up this edition of the Pacific Update. We're looking at some showers to start the day in San Francisco, heading up in toward Ukiah and coming down in toward Monterey and toward San Luis Obispo. Los Angeles might even see a few showers with a low of down to 49, but Seattle should wake up bright, sunny, but chilly, scraping the car off with a low of 28. Let's check out and find out what's going to be happening a little farther out, say into the weekend, with our extended travel outlook.
It is a case study in aerodynamics, control, and power, made with an abiding conviction that one car can change the way you look at all cars. Introducing the daring new A6 from Audi. In the wind tunnel, it whispers. On the Autobahn, it screams.
Are you up all night with nasty neck pain? Now discover the ultimate sleeping experience, the Mount Fuji Oriental Buckwheat Pillow. Mount Fuji Pillow's all-natural buckwheat hulls shift to move with you. We placed an egg under a foam pillow. We dropped a glass head on it. The egg is smashed. No support. We'll place the egg under the feathers from a down pillow. Drop it again. That egg is scrambled. Now place the egg under the buckwheat hulls from the Mount Fuji Pillow. Drop the head. The egg is safe. It custom molds itself to cradle and support your neck and shoulders in perfect comfort. Other pillows get hot and sticky. Buckwheat hulls won't conduct heat, so your pillow feels cool and refreshing all night long. Buckwheat pillows sell for $60 or more. The Mount Fuji Oriental Buckwheat Pillow and free custom pillowcase is yours for only $19.95 with a 25-year healthy sleep guarantee. The world's most comfortable pillow at a comforting price.
To order your Mount Fuji pillow, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-351-8866. That's 1-800-351-8866. Sorry, no CODs.
When you're on the go, get the Weather Channel forecast from these sources. It's the same reliable information you get from us on TV, prepared by our 80 meteorologists. And now your local forecast. 50 after the storm update. Right now on the Weather Channel, your local forecast. Focuses on today's travel problems. Next, your weekend outlook. And at 50 after, the storm update. Right now on the Weather Channel, your local forecast.